Okay, 80. Shows us a picture of a molecule. This is called the ball and stick representation of the molecule. And this molecule is called bromfeneramine. What is the chemical formula for bromfeneramine? An antihistamine used to relieve the runny nose and sneezing associated with allergies. And then B, which element in bromfeneramine has valence electrons that are farthest from the nucleus? So basically, which type of atom is the biggest? Okay, that would be the one with valence electrons farthest from the nucleus. So looking at this, I see 4 different color atoms, and these are the big 4: carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen. You should know. You should have these colors memorized when looking at molecular art in this textbook. So there's lots of carbons and hydrogens in here. You got 1 oxygen and 2 nitrogens. Okay, so chemical formula we can write down pretty easily. It's going to be carbons. You got some carbons, some hydrogens, some oxygens, and some nitrogens. So what do we got? 1 oxygen, 2 nitrogens. Let's just count up the carbons and the hydrogen. So carbon over here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Looks like a benzene ring. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 carbons. And how many hydrogens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I hope I got that right. 20 hydrogens. Okay, C16H20O1N2, and you don't have to write the ones if you want to delete that. C16H20O-N2. So that's the chemical formula. Now, which of those elements has valence electrons that are farthest from the nucleus? Well, looking again at the periodic table, carbon is here's the periodic table. Remember, this is the small corner. So carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. Oxygen is, smaller. Nitrogen's bigger, and then carbon's the biggest. Now you might say hydrogen, it's closer to the big corner, but it's not, because, it's going up in a row. So, as you go down a row, these guys are bigger than all of those guys. So these guys are all bigger than all of those guys. So basically, atoms get bigger going down this way, and then going across this way. So anyway, all of the second period elements are bigger than the first period elements, is what I'm trying to say. So carbon is the biggest one. I'm going to highlight that one. Right there, that would have valence electrons farthest from the nucleus. And, looking at this, you can see, this kind of tells you the size too. Look at the black ball. It's a little bit bigger than the other ones.